Alrighty. Good afternoon, everyone. So, if you are interning, we have I think Nathan and Diana and Madison are already set up, uh, and they've already been tagged. Rose is getting her paperwork set up as well with me. Anyways, welcome to the Discord server for Never Rage, and you guys are working with Kwaza Games. We are a startup. We are a very small group, and our goal right now is to deliver a very small MMO game product, and we're gonna be releasing it on Steam pretty soon as early access. And you guys, what you guys will be doing with us is while you are learning, you'll also be taking on tags that will contribute towards the development of the game that we're making, and this will get you a direct hands-on experience to get you set up so that you are prepared and ready to work within whatever corporate environment you find yourself in the future. So without further ado, I would like to go over the ET Waves framework. Earlier, we had a we when we didn't have um, a system, we had a lot of people signing up for different softwares, downloading stuff like GitHub and whatnot, and it was very mundane and tedious. And so we decided to make a workflow that was so easy that it kind of felt underwhelming for most people. But then again, simplicity doesn't hurt. So this is the framework that we ended up making because we are an agile team and all of us are asynchronous, which means you have full control over your time. You pick your tasks and we entrust you with that, and you just go through it and check in with us as you work through it, and at the end you give your product, we preview it and give you feedback and whatnot. If you need changes, we let you know and then you rework. And basically it's quite it's an amazing system, and we've been using it for a while now, about I'd say 3-4 months or whatnot, and it's been spectacular. So that's what we are working with right now. All right, so we have few animators, and we have a lot of 3D modelers, and we have game testers. And the main point here, guys, is for you to develop yourself. Um, we are giving you a platform. We are giving you all of the support, and in return, you will be helping us develop our game. So we both benefit in a sense that you get to have experience from us, from working with us, and we get an asset from your work, and it's a mutual benefit. So I think it's completely fair, and so that's why we are here today. So um, again, also in the future, just know that the skill that you are developing is very crucial to Web3, because in the future, a lot of companies will be going virtual, in a sense that we will be having a demand for 3D artists, for artists in general, 2D and 3D. Within the 3D sector, we will be looking for modelers to model cities and whatnot, and we will need animators to animate creatures and humanoid avatars and whatnot. So you are literally preparing yourself to be in demand in the future, and also in the current market right now. 3D modelers and animators are also in demand. So um, this is not a wrong choice. So uh, you are doing the right thing in a sense. I just want to reinforce that. So this is our Discord. If you are working as a, so we've had our 3D modelers for a while, so I'm gonna use them as an example. When you enter as a 3D modeler, once you get a tag, you have access to this section of the Discord server. And in the 3D chat, all of the chat rooms are for specifically the group that are tagged for that section, for that category. So the reference is is for literally it itself describes itself in a sense. When we have something that is kind of difficult to describe or whatnot, we will refer to the reference section of the category so that we can get a detail, like something that we can compare to. So that's what a reference is for. We have tutorial videos. These are not out. It's not limited to hours only. Like the videos, links that we're going to be sharing in here. So we might send videos to random YouTubers, and these are just tutorials, and they are kind of like similar to references as well. So that's that. Next, we have the meeting and summation. So I'm going to enable the discourse, the Dropbox window to show you guys that. So here is our Dropbox. All of our information are stored in here. And each meeting we have is an asynchronous meeting. You don't have to be online to be in sync with the rest of the group. Once you log on, you will receive a link which will be located in the meeting and submission channel of the Discord server. And once you click on the link, it will send you to the whatever folder that is shared. And yeah, so you can read about the meeting in the meeting document, and also there will be a submission folder. If you cannot access it, you should immediately message me so I can help you and check what's the problem and so on. So um, that's pretty much it. What you need is the Blender software, and once you start, I'm sure most of you guys have already had a little bit of experience with Blender. At least you, if you don't know the interface and whatnot, you can always check in the reference in the videos, and maybe you're gonna find a video in there, or you can message me, or you can just go to YouTube and look it up. Again, as I said earlier, we are giving you guys a platform, and we are giving you guys time in an asynchronous environment to let you guys self-develop. And so most of the tasks here will have a time limit in a sense to just give you a scope. But after that, you're gonna probably have about a week or two, as stated in the agreement form that you guys sign. You can read through everything and just like look at the structure that we've already defined there for you. So again, everything is easy going. I just wanted to cover that because most people might be confused when they first join, and there are just so many categories and so many channels in here that it's kind of confused. It's a little bit confusing for people. So yeah, that's all I want to share. Thanks for watching. If you are new to this channel, if you would like to subscribe, that will also help us. Um, you can also check us out on LinkedIn if you would like to join our development process. Uh, Again, we are Kwaza Games, and we are a virtual reality experience software company. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.